Hello, this is Bob Joyner, and I'm recording this on Tuesday, the 18th of November. Some people have been asking about how I draw the fib line, so this is a 78-minute chart of the SPY using various things, and I'm drawing new Fibonacci lines. I pulled from the high down to the low, but as you can see, we had a new low today, so I'm pulling that line down to here, and that's going to give us some new fib lines. So these purple lines that I've been having on the charts for several days now, that'll be changing pretty soon. So this just gives you an overview of what was happening at 9:53 this morning. Pretty big sell-off, as you can see. Right across the board, I've been talking about the 26-minute, 1-minute, 5-minute color agreement, and you can see that's all definitely red as we push down pretty hard. You can probably make it out here. This is the Chiku span, also pulling below the historical price curve. At 10:50, we'd come back up to this area, and I want to just talk about this area for a few minutes because several things were happening. Right at that point, we had this bull push back up after the push down I mentioned. So just to kind of annotate some of the different areas that are on this chart here, we had VWAP, which is the yellow line pointing at this. We also had a descending 105 EMA. The blue arrow here is pointing to the 5-minute half line. That's the lowest low candle open and close in that sequence, and a lot of churn, a lot of debate inside that area. Also pay attention on panel 2 to these volatility stop dots. You can see where we came down here testing that and kind of spring off of those lines. So those are good places to watch for possibly taking a profit. And you can see what happened at 11:30. This is the move back up where you had the 5-minute violation here. We had a little bit lower low candle down here, not marked on this chart. A little bit lower low, and then we push back up, and you can see green on the 5-minute, green on the 1-minute, and green on the 26-minute chart. Pretty much ever since this area right through here, where we had all that same challenge area that we had before, but we did not have a confirmation to go back down. And so that gives us an end of the day pretty choppy market looking. If you're looking at the heat map, was what I call it, this just shows you the different transitions between short qualifications, long, short, long, short, long here. As you can see, around 1 o'clock or so, that went up for about an hour, and then we came back down and retested that same area in the afternoon. So I hope that's helpful for you as a review as you look back over your trades and stuff. If you're enjoying these videos, I appreciate you subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And if you're interested in the daily chat room that I have, just 29 bucks a month. Our sole focus is on spytalk.info. Thanks.